Hi, Bob Rasooli, Orange County, California. I'm the founder of I4I Academy, and I work closely with inspectors and engineers in the oil, gas, and petrochemical industry, especially professionals holding API 510, API 570, and API 653 certifications. Through I4I Academy, we support inspectors worldwide with technical training, CPD programs, and certification-focused education. In this video, I'll clarify what API Continuing Professional Development CPD really means, what API requires for recertification, and how to meet those requirements correctly, without confusion, last-minute stress, or the risk of rejection. Starting January 1st, 2023, CPD hours became a mandatory requirement for recertification of API 510, API 570, and API 653. This applies to every certificant and is required in addition to continued inspection experience and the 6-year web quiz. For each 3-year certification cycle, API requires a total of 24 CPD hours. These hours must be completed within your certification period, from the start date through the expiration date, including any grace period if applicable. API defines one CPD hour as one contact hour, and each contact hour must be at least 50 minutes. Activities shorter than 50 minutes do not count, and partial hours are not accepted. This rule applies to both in-person and online training. If you complete more than the required CPD hours, API allows you to carry over up to 12 hours into your next certification cycle. Many inspectors overlook this, but planning early can make future recertifications much easier. CPD activities must be directly related to inspection and mechanical integrity in the petroleum and petrochemical industry. Acceptable topics include pressure vessels, piping, storage tanks, corrosion and damage mechanisms, welding inspection, metallurgy, fitness for service, risk-based inspection, NDE, and asset integrity. Routine day-to-day inspection work as part of your job does not qualify for CPD credit. API accepts many types of CPD activities: third-party courses, employer training, online or self-paced training, conferences, seminars, webinars, technical committee service, speaking engagements, and publishing technical papers, but there are strict rules. Training must be technical, not commercial or marketing focused. It must be developed and delivered by qualified individuals. Most importantly, it must include a knowledge evaluation, such as a quiz or final exam, and you must have documentation proving completion. Registration confirmations or proof of payment alone are not acceptable to API. API does not maintain a list of approved training providers, so the responsibility is on you to ensure the training meets API requirements. This is where many inspectors run into problems during recertification. This is exactly where I4I Academy can help. Our CPD courses are designed to align with API ICP requirements. They focus on technical industry topics, include structured video training, timed final exams, and provide certificates that clearly show earned CPD or PDH credit. I4I Academy offers CPD courses that support API 510, API 570, and API 653 certificates, covering pressure equipment, piping, tanks, corrosion, welding, RBI, and other mechanical integrity subjects. Whether you need a portion of your CPD hours or want to complete the full requirement and earn carryover hours, our courses are built to support you. After completing your CPD activities, API requires you to upload proof through the ICP portal. This may include certificates of completion, transcripts, or completed CPD activity forms. You can upload CPD hours at any time, but they are reviewed when you submit your recertification application. My advice is simple. Don't wait until the last minute. Don't assume a course is acceptable, and don't take training that lacks an exam and proper documentation. Plan your CPD early, spread it across your cycle, and make sure every hour is compliant and defensible. Below this video, you'll find the full list of I4I Academy CPD courses that can help you meet your API 510, API 570, and API 653 CPD requirements. If you've taken an I4I Academy course before and need a copy of your certificate, or if you have questions about CPD requirements, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.